हम दिखा रहे हैं भोपाल से। मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर मोहन यादव पहुंचे हैं। IATO के राष्ट्रीय सम्मेलन का आयोजन हो रहा है।
Together with the Honorable Union Minister of Culture and Tourism,
सीएम डॉक्टर मोहन यादव कार्यक्रम में शामिल हुए हैं। IATO का 39वां राष्ट्रीय सम्मेलन है। 4 दिन तक ये सम्मेलन चलने वाला है। सम्मेलन में देश भर के 1000 टूर ऑपरेटर शामिल हो रहे हैं और इस वक्त होटल ताज लेक फ्रंट में ये आयोजन, जहां मध्य प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर मोहन यादव शिरकत कर रहे हैं।
IATO, ladies and gentlemen, is India's national apex body of
इंडियन एसोसिएशन ऑफ टूर ऑपरेटर्स का 39वां राष्ट्रीय सम्मेलन है। 30 अगस्त से 2 सितंबर तक होटल ताज लेक फ्रंट में राष्ट्रीय सम्मेलन का आयोजन हो रहा है।
airlines and other stakeholders in the tourism and hospitality industry. The membership of IATO controls over 80 to 90% of all inbound tourism into India. So we are pleased to have with us this evening Dr. Mohan Yadav, who has strived very hard to come from Delhi despite the inclement weather there, and we're truly happy to welcome him here. We also have with us the Minister of State, Independent Charge for Culture and Tourism, Religious Trust, Religious Department, Government of Madhya Pradesh, Shri Dharmendra Bhar Singh Lodi, the Principal Secretary, Government of Madhya Pradesh, and the MD of Madhya Pradesh Tourism Board, Shri Shiv Shukla, and we welcome them all. We'd like to request all the members of the IATO chairmanship and our honourable guests to please light the ceremonial lamp and inaugurate the 39th IATO convention. Mr. Rajiv Mehra, Mr. Ravi Gosai, Mr. Sunil Mishra, Mr. Mahendra Singh, Mr. Rajneesh Kaist, Mr. Sanjay Razdan, Mr. Vinay Tyagi.
Welcome to London's
photo
and the largest.
नहीं मानेंगे नहीं मानेंगे ना, वो बैठ गया नहीं हटेंगे।
A warm welcome goes out to each member of the IATO leadership and a host of distinguished friends from the industry. We also welcome those of you who are joining us on the social media handles of IATO. I'd like to now request the President of IATO, Mr. Rajiv Mehra, to please welcome our honoured guests by presenting them with shawls. The Honourable Chief Minister, Dr. Mohan Yadav, the Union Minister of Culture and Tourism, Government of India, Shri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, the Minister of State, Independent Charge for Culture and Tourism, Madhya Pradesh, Shri Dharmendra Bhar Singh Lodi, and the Principal Secretary, Tourism, Government of Madhya Pradesh, and the MPT Board, Shri Shiv Shukla. I'd like to now request the Vice President, IATO, and Chairman of the 39th Convention, Mr. Ravi Gosai, to please welcome all our guests. May I request all the photographers to kindly be seated because you're blocking the way for all the others who are behind you. Thank you.
Shri Mohan Yadav ji, Honorable Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, Shri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat ji, Honorable Union Minister of Tourism and Culture, Shri Dharmendra Bhav Singh Lodi ji, Honorable Minister of Tourism, Madhya Pradesh, Shri Shukla ji, Principal Secretary, Tourism and Managing Director, Madhya Pradesh Tourism Board, Mr. Rajiv Mehra, President IATO, and my colleagues in IATO, stakeholders from tourism across India, friends of media, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar and good evening. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all at the 39th IATO Annual Convention at the historic city of Bhopal. IATO is very grateful to Shri Mohan Yadav ji, Honorable Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, for giving us the encouragement and motivation to organize our convention in the state of Madhya Pradesh, which is forefront of tourism in India. We are honored to have motivating presence of Shri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat ji, Honorable Union Minister of Tourism and Culture. We are delighted to have Shri Dharmendra Bhav Singh Lodi ji, Honorable Tourism Minister of Madhya Pradesh with us today. We welcome Shri Shivshekhar Shukla ji, Principal Secretary Tourism and Managing Director, Madhya Pradesh Tourism Board, and Team Tourism of Madhya Pradesh, which shows the sheer commitment of the state in making tourism in Madhya Pradesh to new high. I welcome all the participating states, the speakers, our cherished members, and the stakeholders of tourism and the media who have come from across the country to contribute and add value to this forum with their presence and intellectual inputs. We have overwhelming response from our members, the IATO family, for this convention, and they are in front of me, all geared up to take tourism to the new high. Big cheers to all of you. IATO convention in Madhya Pradesh have history, sir. First time we were here in 1993 at Khajuraho, then we were in Indore in 2015, and we are happy to be back again in Bhopal 2024. This year's theme is Resurgent India Inbound. It is not just a slogan, but a clarion call for all of us to recognize the enormous potential of our great nation in the global tourism landscape. As we gather here today, we stand on the brink of new era in inbound tourism, where India's diverse cultural heritage, natural beauty, spiritual richness can attract millions of visitors from across the world. The theme views the diverse facets that take shape as Incredible India goes in growth mode, from sustainability, responsible tourism, inclusive growth, to health, hygiene, and safety to niche tourism. Government of India on digitalization and marketing and promotion to skilling, offbeat destination to experiential tourism. Last mile connectivity, investment in tourism infrastructure, embarking on greenfield projects and destination management organizations. The well-crafted business sessions, a special session on Madhya Pradesh tourism, and the presentations by the participating states governments will table this framework that will be apt in the present scenario to take tourism forward in India. We are organizing 10 crafted post-convention tours. This will usher much needed on-site marketing of the strategic destinations of Madhya Pradesh. It will offer desired momentum exposure to the tourism, and we are very happy to say that there are 300 people who will be going on various time trips. There will be a travel mart also, which we just inaugurated by the Union Minister of Tourism, and it will be a great interest for our members and the participating state, as they can engage with B2B meetings and the fruitful interactions. The IATO Run for Responsible Tourism will be propagating the fitness mantra, networking luncheons, and the dinner and entertainment evenings to address business with fun and leisure. During the convention, we shall organize a marketing innovation competition at this venue hotel. The main aim of the marketing innovation competition is to encourage creativity and quality of video CDs, posters, brochures of the state governments, tour operators, hotels, and travel media. The awards are to honor outstanding work, giving due importance to creativity, thus recognition to the designers and producers. Our members are the backbone of India's tourism industry. Each one of you plays a pivotal role in shaping up the experience of international travels to promote inbound tourism industry. I urge you to focus on following areas: innovative product development, digital transformation, sustainability and responsible tourism, skill development and training. A united front is stronger than individual efforts. IATO members should collaborate to create cohesive marketing campaigns that highlight India's diverse offering. Partnering with international travel companies in global travel fairs and engaging with travel influencers significantly boost our reach. The future of inbound tourism is bright, provided we adapt to the changing dynamics of global travel industry. With the government support in improving infrastructure, easing visa regulations and promoting Brand India, the stage is set for the tourism to resurgence. As we move forward, IATO must embrace the forward-thinking approach, staying attuned with the global trends and travel preferences. Together, we can transform India into a top destination for international travelers, driving economic growth, creating jobs, and fostering cultural exchange. Let us commit ourselves to the vision of resurgent India inbound and work tirelessly to make India as the preferred choice for travelers from across the world. I am confident that 39th IATO Annual Convention will be thought-provoking and challenge the creative minds of the discerning stakeholders present. It will be certainly present on all-encompassing viable strategy, and that is the need of our today. As we stand together for our glory, and yes, this will fructify only with the effective and efficient collaboration of all valued stakeholders and policy makers who adorn our tourism canvas. और मैं अंत में सिर्फ मुख्यमंत्री जी इतना कहना चाहूँगा कि हमारे इस अधिवेशन के बाद आपके प्रदेश मध्य प्रदेश में विदेशी टूरिस्टों में वृद्धि होगी और जितने भी हमारे 1200 डेलीगेट्स यहाँ हैं सब लोग देश विदेशों में जाकर मध्य प्रदेश का प्रचार करेंगे। धन्यवाद।
Thank you very much. I'd like to now request the President of IATO, Mr. Rajiv Mehra, to please give the presidential address.
Respected Dr. Mohan Yadav, Honorable Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, dearest friend of the travel trade, Shri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat ji, Honorable Union Minister of Tourism and Culture, Mr. Dharmendra Pratap Singh Lodhi, Honorable Tourism Minister and Culture Minister of Madhya Pradesh, Shri Shio Shekhar Shukla, Principal Secretary Tourism and Managing Director MP, Madhya Pradesh Tourism Board, Bhopal, my colleagues from IATO on the dais, all stakeholders of tourism from across India, members of the media and ladies and gentlemen. First of all, apologies for this delay which was beyond anyone's control. We will try and finish it ASAP so that dinner is not delayed much. Good evening friends, we are really honored to have with us Shri Mohan Yadav, Honorable Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, for offering IATO platform of the annual convention. Sir, we are indeed grateful to you when we came to meet you in your office to invite you for the convention. And you immediately confirmed to inaugurate the convention. So thank you very much. This gave us confidence and motivated us in making this convention one of the highest attended convention of IATO. लेटेस्ट एस्टिमेट मेरे को ये दिखा रहा है शायद 1200 टच कर जाएगा। सब आपके मध्य प्रदेश शुक्ला साहब की जो वो हुई है हमारे पर मेहरबानी सब उसका रिजल्ट है। We are extremely grateful to Honorable Shri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat ji, our Honorable Union Minister for Tourism and Culture, for joining us here despite his busy schedule. He started in the morning, well, I don't know what time he got up. He started in the morning at taking a 7 o'clock from Goa, a flight from Goa to Bhopal via Mumbai. Immediately on arrival in Bhopal, he left for Sanchi and now he has joined us here. He has to go back to Delhi also just now. This shows his passion for the tourism and we are hopeful under his leadership the industry will get full support and the ministry and overseas promotions will restart. In fact, this has already started and our ministry is participating in all major overseas tourism marts. We also request the Honorable Minister, which I spoke with him in his room also, to reinstate the MDS scheme for tour operators which has been discontinued for the last 4 years. This has resulted in tour operators not being able to do overseas promotion and participate in overseas travel marts. We are honored to have the kind patronage of Shri Dharmendra Bhav Singh Lodi ji, the Honorable Tourism Minister of Madhya Pradesh. Without his support, it would not have been possible to organize this very high magnitude convention in Bhopal. We value the kind presence of Shri Shobha Shekhar Shukla ji, the Principal Secretary Tourism and Managing Director, Madhya Pradesh Tourism Board, Bhopal. We are also very thankful to Dr. T. Ilya Raja ji, Managing Director, Madhya Pradesh State Tourism Development Corporation Limited, Mrs. Vidisha Mukherjee, Additional Managing Director, Madhya Pradesh Tourism Board, who have supported us and helped us out day in, day out. Sir and Madam, if you are somewhere around, we are really very grateful to you, sir and ma'am. We are also grateful to the valuable support extended by the Ministry of Tourism, Government of India for our annual convention.
आप सबका स्वागत है, वंदन है, अभिनंदन है। मध्य प्रदेश में वाइल्ड लाइफ बहुत अच्छे से देखने को मिलती है। हेरिटेज टूरिज्म है, कल्चरल टूरिज्म है, स्पिरिचुअल टूरिज्म है, रिस्पॉन्सिबल टूरिज्म है, सेफ टूरिज्म है। सभी अलग अलग विधाओं पर, टूरिज्म की जितनी विधाएं हैं सभी पर मध्य प्रदेश काम कर रहा है। हिंदुस्तान के दिल मध्य प्रदेश ने सदैव अतिथि देवो भव की परंपरा को संजो कर रखा है। तो आप सब मध्य प्रदेश में हमारे अतिथि हैं। आप सबका पुनः मैं बहुत बहुत स्वागत करता हूं, वंदन करता हूं, अभिनंदन करता हूं। और चूंकि माननीय केंद्रीय मंत्री जी को भी बोलना है और हमारे माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी भी अपना विषय रखेंगे और कार्यक्रम भी थोड़ी डिले हो गया है, इसलिए आप सबको पुनः प्रणाम करते हुए, नमन करते हुए मध्य प्रदेश के स्पोक पर्सन बन के आप लोग जाएंगे। और मध्य प्रदेश में आप आए हैं तो एक आग्रह और है कि आप सब लोग मध्य प्रदेश के प्रमुख स्थानों पर घूम कर आए। प्राकृतिक दृष्टि से, सांस्कृतिक दृष्टि से, पुरातात्विक दृष्टि से, वाइल्ड लाइफ की दृष्टि से, हर दृष्टि से मध्य प्रदेश में पर्यटन की अपार संभावनाएं हैं। आप सबका पुनः बहुत बहुत स्वागत है, वंदन है, अभिनंदन है। बोलिए भारत माता की। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Thank you very much. I'd like to now request the Honourable Union Minister for Culture and Tourism, Shri Rajendra Shekhawat, and the Honourable Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, Dr. Mohan Yadav, to please release the IATO Manual 2024-25.
अरे बैठ जा भाई। कोई काम नहीं। हम लोग घर चले जाते हैं।
Thank you very much. We'd like to now share with you all, ladies and gentlemen, a short film made on IATO. May I request the photographers to please be seated?
Namaste India. the oldest living civilization, is a land of diverse landscapes, nature, traditions, history, heritage, culture, festivals, and cuisines. India is a miracle every traveler must experience.
It's our first time in India, and our first time is to discover this wonderful country.
A very interesting experience, and we loved it. The food is, like everything that we had.
So we were here yesterday, and the experience for now it's quite good. We're enjoying a lot. We have visited the mosque, now and this is our second visit, and it's so good, it's so beautiful.
The Indian Association of Tour Operators, also known as IATO, helps the explorer in you to experience India. Established in 1982, now IATO has over 1,800 members pan-India and still counting, and 34 regional and state chapters across India. IATO interacts closely with various ministries like tourism, finance, home, commerce, and civil aviation on various tourism-related critical issues impacting Indian tourism.
We talked to the people, and they're very friendly. My first Indian food was a little bit spicier than I thought. It was very good.
My experience is good. I really enjoy the food. I enjoy the history. That's why I'm here, trying to soak it all in. I've been here so many times. There's not many things I haven't seen, so this was one I wanted to check off my list. And so far, it's been very nice, very nice.
IATO takes care of 90% of the organized sector of tourists visiting India. From personalized itineraries to cutting-edge booking technologies, IATO members ensure every journey is seamless and memorable, for which IATO imparts training to its members. Discover the magic of India with an accredited IATO agent for your gateway to an incredible India. Work with an IATO-approved Indian tour operator.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we are proud to present the IATO Hall of Fame Award. Every year, the Indian Association of Tour Operators selects one or more persons who have made enormous contributions to the industry. These individuals have helped shape our sector as a vibrant contributor to our economy through their simple actions on the ground. These are individuals whose leadership, acumen and success has drawn admiration and respect among their peers and from those who have worked and trained under them. Among our past winners are stalwarts of the industry, leading lights who have worked to promote tourism, all legendary personalities. The list being long, I shall not mention their names. The first Hall of Fame award this evening goes to someone who is a legend, who at just 26 foresaw the potential of tourism in Kashmir, and despite significant challenges, founded Razdan Travel Service, now called Razdan Holidays, in 1957. His visionary efforts were instrumental in opening the enchanting regions of Kashmir and Ladakh to the world, laying the foundation for a thriving tourism industry there. His contributions to the tourism sector in Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh have been nothing short of transformative. Among his pioneering achievements and accomplishments were organizing the first group tours to Ladakh in 1974, leading a Swiss expedition to the Nunkun Peaks in 1979, and introducing Bollywood to Kashmir, making Srinagar, Gulmarg and Pahalgam household names. Called Mohan by his friends, the late M.L. Razdan soon became a pioneer in the tourism sector. M.L. Razdan's contributions were recognized with numerous accolades, including a gold medal from the World Tourism Promotion Council and the Rajiv Gandhi Award for Excellence in Tourism. Beyond his professional success, he was known for his generosity, for uplifting impoverished families. His legacy endures as a pioneer in tourism and as a man of remarkable vision, compassion, and integrity. In recognition of his tireless services and immense contribution to the tourism and hospitality industry, the Indian Association of Tour Operators is honored to present the IATO Hall of Fame Award to the late M.L. Razdan. On behalf of the entire industry and the IATO community, we are grateful for his contribution and valuable services to the industry. May I request his daughter-in-law, Anita Razdan, Director Razdan Holidays, to please receive the honor on his behalf.
आदमी ऊपर कर लेते हैं।
We have a citation and we have an award. Congratulations. May I request Anita Razdan to please share her thoughts with us?
साइड से करो ना यार।
Shri Mohan Yadav ji, Honorable Chief Minister, Madhya Pradesh. Shri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat ji, Honorable Minister of Tourism and Culture, Government of India. Shri Dharmendra Bal Singh Lodi ji, Honorable Tourism and Culture Minister, Government of Madhya Pradesh. Shri Shiv Shekhar Shukla ji, Principal Secretary, Tourism, Government of Madhya Pradesh and MD, Madhya Pradesh Tourism Board. Shri Rajiv Mehra ji, President IATO. Distinguished guests on the dais, valued members of IATO, friends from media, ladies and gentlemen, Namaskar. It is with immense gratitude and deep honor that I stand before you today to receive this prestigious Hall of Fame award on behalf of our late revered father, Shri M.L. Razdan ji. This recognition by the Indian Association of Tour Operators is a testament to his decades of dedication, passion, and relentless pursuit of excellence in the travel and tourism industry. His work in the tourism industry has had a lasting impact, especially in Jammu, Kashmir, and Ladakh, and it is wonderful to see his efforts recognized today. Shri M.L. Razdan ji had always been a visionary, someone who saw the potential of our industry long before it became what it is today. His commitment to promote India as a global tourist destination has not only inspired countless individuals, but also shaped the very fabric of our industry. His leadership, integrity, and tireless work have set benchmarks that many of us aspire to reach. I would like to express our sincere thanks and gratitude to IATO